Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. And today in this video I am going to show you how to fix your Facebook two-factor authentication code did not receive. Actually, for better security we turn on Facebook two-factor authentication, right? But in later we did not receive our code for some network issue, or sometime we also lost our SIM card or phone also, right? And if we don't give two-factor authentication code, that time we couldn't open our Facebook application, our Facebook account. So if it happens to you, then there is no worry, because in this video I'm going to show you the easiest way for fixing two-factor authentication code did not receive, or if you lost your SIM card also. So before starting the process, I'll ask you something, that please subscribe my channel and give also like this video. So let's start. So in this video I'm going to show you two kinds of easiest way. And the first way will be, if you already use your Facebook account but you did not receive your two-factor authentication code when you try to use your Facebook account from other devices. So this is the first problem. And another problem will be, you just log out your Facebook account and you lost your SIM card, or you didn't receive your code. Okay, so this is the two process. Let me show you. One is, you already log in into your Facebook account, you already used it, right? And another is, you already logged out from your account but you did not receive your code. So how can you actually overcome it? I will discuss everything. So if you really want to learn, then please watch carefully, don't skip any second. So let's start. So I will show you by the first process. If you already use your account but you did not receive your Facebook two-factor authentication code. Okay, so let me show you how to solve it. So first of all, you will need to go to Google Play Store and then make sure your Facebook application is already up to date. So you can see I have just updated my Facebook application, and after that just click here, open option, and then you can see three-dot line in here, so just click on it. So after that you will need to scroll down and then go to settings and privacy option in here. So tap on it, then click on settings option, and after that let me show you first that I have already login two-factor authentication I have already turned on. So you can see this is my two-factor authentication turned on. Okay, so let me show you how to fix it. Did not receive code. So you will need to go to first just profile settings in here, and after that you need to go to notifications and then text messaging. Just click here, and then you can see in here text notification turn on. So let's click here, edit option, and after that make sure everything is just turned on. Okay, so now get back from here and you can see daily text limit. Just tap here, edit option, then you will need to click unlimited. Okay, just select it, and after that just get back from here and you will need to go to right now in here security option, security and login. Just tap on it, and then two-factor authentication, just tap on it. Okay, so you got your number but you don't receive two-factor authentication code, right? And that's why you couldn't use your Facebook account. So you can do one thing, just click here, recovery codes, just tap on it, and you will see these kinds of code. This is my code, but you will get another different kinds of code. So you can click here, copy codes, and then you can paste in into your notepad, or you can write it down, okay? And after that, and when you will try to use your Facebook account from another phone, and if you did not receive your code, that time you can use this code, okay? You can use this code as a two-factor authentication code, okay? So this is the first process. I mean, if you already logged in into your account. But if you are log out from your account, let me show it. So this is my another phone, and I have already give my Gmail and password into here, and after that I get this kinds of problem, and it asked for login code. So you can use that code, I mean recovery code I have already showed you. You can use this code into here, okay? But if you are already logged out from your account, then how can you actually access to your account? So you can see in the bottom having travel option. So let's click here, having travel, then choose Chrome or any other browser. Then you will get this kinds of interface, and you can see in here we will walk you through a few steps. To help confirm your identity, please provide the following information, okay? So the first step will be enter an email address, and second step is upload your ID. So let me fill up the first step and just click here, next option, and after that just you put here your valid email address. I mean in that email address Facebook can contact to you, okay? So let me give my email address in here, suppose this one. So after giving that, just click here, next option. Sorry, it says this email address is already in use. Please use a different email address, okay? So let me give in different Gmail address which is not used already, okay? So after giving another kinds of Gmail address, just click here, next option. And this is the second step, okay? You can see choose the type of ID to upload. We'll use your official ID or document to help confirm who you are. It won't be shared on your profile, okay? So you can give passport, ID number, or driving license, or national ID card number, okay? So let me give my national ID card number from here, and you can see also in here your ID will be stored securely and deleted within 30 days, okay, after we have finished confirming your identity. So don't worry about your ID, okay? So you can give driving license, national ID card, or passport, okay? So let me give my national ID card. And this is very important that you need to give your same ID name. I mean your profile ID name, like suppose Abdullah, and your national ID card name is another name, and then there will be no connection. And you need to give same date of birth, ID card, and same name as like your ID, okay? Otherwise you will not get back to your account. So make sure it birthday date and name, it is very important. You need to similar it, okay? So after choosing it, just click here, next option. So you can see take a photo of your ID. Using the camera on your phone, take a photo that clearly shows your ID or official document, okay? So this is let's go to get started, then click on allow, then again click allow, and after that let me share my ID. Suppose so you can see I have just provide my ID in here, okay? So I am from Bangladesh, and you can see this is my name, MD Saiful Islam, and another lots of things. So I will blur these things, okay? So this is very confidential, so I will not show to public. So after taking your photo, and if you mistake it, then you can see in here retake photo also. So you can also click here retake photo and your photo will be retaken again. Okay, so after doing that, just click here submit option. Okay, and if you submit it, then Facebook will identify or judge that your profile name and your ID name, if it's same, or your date of birth as like your profile ID, then they will contact you with your giving email. Okay, so by this process you can access your two-factor authentication Facebook account. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video, and if you face any kind of problem, then please let me know. I'll try my best to help you. Thanks. Do comment, give like, and do subscribe.